Hey guys, long time no see. Well, what I've been up to the whole fucking time that there was like no video and not really any information as well. Well, I was kind of busy with my life, and with all the COVID around it was kind of hectic, but it's getting better now and I'm gonna get back to some vlogging and shit. We'll see about that. Well, what I've been up to the whole time, the one thing I decided to do, I'm not finished yet, is I decided to rebuild the top end of the Husaberg. As you can see, there's like nothing, and yeah, I'm pretty much have everything ready to go in here. As you can see, this is a new piston and everything almost ready. I'm waiting for some parts to arrive, and after that I'm gonna put the bike back together. I also did some stickers on these plastics because it looks kind of cool, and I decided to rebuild the front fork, which is nice and ready now, and slammed some stickers on the front, how do you say it, fender or something like that, I don't know, front plastic piece. And I also decided to use the original Husaberg headlight and stuff, and I think it looks pretty dope. Well, that's one part of the update. Second update, yeah, I got rid of the really ugly looking original turn signals and replaced it with this. It's kind of minimalistic, looks clean. And for the back, I got rid of the old big and nasty turn signals and replaced it with this. Looks cool, right? I think it looks fucking epic. Well, the weather is shit, so I can't ride my R6 now, because why would I? But on the other hand, I finally got my trail bike that I was talking about earlier, that I ordered like 5 months ago or something like that. So yeah, I'm back on the saddle and it feels amazing, man, amazing. I'm fucking loving it. I've missed it so much. So the plan, Husaberg, then when it's complete I'm gonna have to break in the engine, or the top end if you will, and I'm gonna rip this thing around a little. And also I have a big fucking news coming, and that is I'm currently designing my new racing one-piece leather suit. It's gonna be it's gonna be amazing. Great colors that will actually match my shoes, my boots that I use on my R6, and my gloves. So a little preview. This is something, yeah, it's gonna match these colors, but we'll see about that. It's a process, and I'm currently at the beginning of it, so we'll see how it actually turns out. I'm not gonna reveal anything until it's completely done, and maybe even when I actually have the suit with me. But we'll see how this thing actually going to fold out. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is it, and I'm fucking back, guys. See ya.